You've probably felt the wind brushing through your hair or across your face countless times when stepping outside. It's a familiar natural phenomenon, one that each of us has experienced at some point. But have you ever truly wondered, what is wind, and why can we feel it? Although wind is something we often encounter, few people understand its underlying nature. Put simply, wind is the movement of air within Earth's atmosphere. When air travels from one location to another, it generates a stream of force that we perceive as a gentle breeze, or sometimes a powerful gust, known as wind. But then you might ask, why does the air move at all? The answer lies in pressure differences. Air naturally flows from regions of high pressure to regions of low pressure. It may sound a bit abstract, but imagine wind as being similar to water. Just as water flows from higher elevations to lower ones due to gravity, air moves from areas of higher atmospheric pressure to those with lower pressure in an attempt to reach equilibrium. You might then wonder, why do these high and low pressure zones exist in the first place? They are formed through a variety of factors, but one of the most fundamental is the influence of the sun. Every day, the sun bathes the Earth in sunlight. However, because Earth is a sphere with a varied surface, comprising land, water, forests, and deserts, the heat is not distributed evenly. Equatorial regions receive more intense solar radiation and thus warm up more than polar areas or elevated terrains, which remain cooler. When a region heats up, the air above it expands, becomes lighter, and rises. Conversely, in cooler areas, the air is denser and sinks. This difference in air behavior creates variations in atmospheric pressure. Warmer areas tend to have low pressure, while cooler areas have high pressure. Following the laws of nature, air moves from high pressure to low pressure zones, and that movement is what we experience as wind. To visualize this more clearly, think of standing near an electric fan. When the fan is turned on, it pushes air toward you and you feel a breeze. The fan doesn't create wind, it simply causes air to move. Similarly, in nature, the movement of air, without any visible mechanism, is what we perceive as wind. Another easy-to-understand example is the sea breeze you feel when visiting coastal areas. During the day, land heats up faster than the ocean. The air above the land becomes warm and rises, while the cooler, denser air above the sea flows inland to replace it. This movement of air from the ocean toward the land creates what we call a sea breeze. That's why you often feel a refreshing wind whenever you're near the coast. At first glance, wind might seem like nothing more than a gentle passing current of air. But behind this simple sensation lies an intricate and fascinating system driven by natural forces. Thanks to wind, Earth's atmosphere remains dynamic and balanced, sustaining the diversity and resilience of life on our planet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more intriguing insights into the wonders of nature.